Hi. Today you will see cases in which you would not wish to get into even your worst enemy. Make some tea, because we're starting. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Now you will understand why snowboarding is called an extremely dangerous sport. Was it luck or did experience play a role? Write your opinion in the comments. The guys decided to fix the truck, which suddenly began to slide down. The second man miraculously managed to escape from the strap. The truck skidded heavily on the road. And only by some miracle the driver managed to hold on and not roll over. While this woman is clearing ice and snow from the sidewalk, a huge icicle is already aiming at her head. The girl miraculously managed to dodge. A huge stone broke off and fell right in the middle of the road. The car miraculously survived in this incident. This helicopter flew millimeters over the head of a young girl. Whoever complains about the police, but they are always on guard of our order. And then one patrol night, the dispatcher's voice is heard warning about a drunken reckless driver. The two partners gave chase without hesitation. Look how bravely they acted. Blocking the road with an official car and arranging a light accident, they stopped the offender. Not sparing themselves, they acted bravely as a drunkard could lead to innocent victims. What will you do if a rhinoceros runs straight at your car? The only thing left in this situation is to shout and hope that the rhino will turn aside. That's exactly what happened in this video. A pack of hungry hyenas attacked a lone lion who could not give them a proper rebuff. But suddenly the lions who came to the rescue completely turned the picture of the battle. In this 1999 video, the bear liked something so much in the car that he decided to get it out of there in any way. First, the bear broke the car window and then completely climbed inside. Fortunately, all the people managed to escape from there in time. In this video, as soon as the guy loaded the goods into the truck, the car suddenly drove forward. The worker miraculously managed to jump out of the truck. But I think he will now forever remember that it is best to put the car on the handbrake. The girl decided to look through the window before the flight, but it remained in her hands in the literal sense of the word. Plus another fear for people who are afraid to fly on airplanes. This dog saw a snail in the river and rushed after it. As soon as he swam to the goal, he immediately realized that he would not be able to get back out, and all that remained to do was to whine plaintively. Hearing a strange sound, a couple of people saw this terrible picture. The woman did not remain indifferent and swam to the rescue of the dog. After 3 minutes, the dog was back on land. Many complain about the bad roads they have to drive on a daily basis. But you try to tell this to drivers who move on roads in the Himalayas. Some of these shots are even creepy to look at. The wind in Toronto reached as much as 127 kilometers per hour. As a result, he first smashed the glass doors at the entrance and then completely knocked out several windows along with window frames. Helping our smaller brothers is an act of really kind people. Especially when the entire crew of the ship is trying to help a dog drifting on an ice floe. The poor animal could have died of cold or hunger, but the captain of this ship noticed the little dog and decided to change course for her. Then the rescue was entrusted to the hardiest sailor. And after a while the dog was happily licking the whole crew, thanking for his rescue. Of course, everyone earns as they can. But in this video, a man and a woman decided to resort to an unfair method and tried to make money by simulating a car hitting them. But fortunately this driver had a DVR in the car. By the way, the actress of this woman is not so hot. What would be your reaction if an avalanche was coming at you? These guys understood that the avalanche was not strong and decided to take a video for themselves as a keepsake. The spectacle is certainly amazing and memorable, but still not at all safe. By negligence, the dog got into a river with a strong current. When passers-by noticed this, they could not pass by. With all his might, the dog tried to swim against the current, and it seems that nature is about to overcome the animal. Suddenly, the dog makes a couple more reinforced jerks, and at the same moment passers-by were able to grab the dog's paws and pull him out. After what you have seen, you can make sure that the world is not without kind people. Thank you so much for watching. Write in the comments which of the videos you like the most. I would be interested to know your opinion. Subscribe, because there will still be a lot of interesting things ahead. See you soon. Peace.